Hey, it's Martin here. I know the launch phase of newly approved drugs can be a rush, so I wanted to quickly show you how AI can help cut time to training. Imagine if the product information you receive could instantly become interactive, ready to share training for your sales team in minutes. I want to show you how. Let's open up the generator and start. Okay, let's start. First, we'll define what success looks like for your team. Think about what you want reps to walk away with. Is it mastering the product details or handling objections? You simply type in your goals or choose a preset. Here's where the magic starts. You can paste in the product info or drag and drop your product docs directly. Here. Done. Retorio's AI sifts through all that information to build training simulations. Now for the fun part. We want reps ready to talk to their target HCPs, right? All you need to do is upload your HCP persona or input their characteristics. Retorio will create a realistic virtual HCP. It's as close as reps can get to real-life interactions. Next, we'll assign the training. Select the learner group, in this case, the sales team handling this launch. And now the AI takes over. It analyzes everything, the product docs, your HCP profiles, and your team's training needs, and designs interactive sessions that reps can jump into right away. It even defines behavioral goals and what should be done or not. You can see, no need to worry about lengthy course creation or back and forth with content anymore. Once the training's generated, you're in the driver's seat to tweak anything you want. When you're happy with it, hit ready and share, and your training is instantly live. That's it. You're equipped with a custom interactive training built for your new drug's launch and ready to roll it out. Honestly, I'd love to let Retorio handle the heavy lifting so your team can focus on what really matters. Getting to market faster with confidence. Let's get in touch and try it out for your new launch.